What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a 1-year update on how I got rid of my dandruff / seborrheic dermatitis. So before I even tell you guys what I do today to control my scalp, I want to share with you briefly what I used to do last year to really get things going in controlling my scalp condition. So last year, the main thing that I covered was getting the Selsun Blue medicated shampoo and taking about 1/3 of lemon and squeezing the lemon inside the Selsun Blue shampoo, shaking it up, and then we're good to go. And then the biggest thing was to make sure that you get the shampoo in all of the areas that need to be medicated, such as your hairline, around your temple, right by my nose, underneath the eyebrows, and then of course, the back of your head by your hairline. So when you're shampooing 3 to 4 days a week, every single other day, you wanna make sure you leave the shampoo on your scalp for roughly 2 to 4 minutes. If you leave this shampoo in your scalp for 30 seconds, the ingredients inside the bottle aren't gonna have enough time to really penetrate your skin and take control of the dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. So if you leave it in for 2 to 4 minutes max, you're gonna have plenty of time for the ingredients inside the shampoo to really take over and do what it needs to do to control your skin condition. So while you're waiting 2 to 4 minutes, you should probably just be scrubbing, dubbing, going to town with the soap on your body, and then afterward you can go ahead, after those 2 to 4 minutes, go in and take the water and just clean everything out. And then once you're done with the shower, I always used to just pat dry my head, so grab a towel like this, and just go to town and pat dry the hair. Usually pat drying your hair keeps the natural oils in your hair and it keeps things soft and making your hair have a nice natural shine. So as of right now, today, the things that I've changed from last year's methodology to this year's methodology is, the first thing, I still use the Selsun Blue with the 1/3 lemon squeeze inside the bottle, shake it up, and then this product is good to go. Now, I also have Head & Shoulders Dry Scalp Care, and this is pretty much what I do to rotate on and off between this one and this one every other day that I shampoo, not every other day. And on top of using the Head & Shoulders and Selsun Blue shampoo every other day, I'm also going to be using the Shea Moisture Conditioner every single day that I shampoo my head. And so to break things down for you as simply as possible, let's just say 7 days a week, we're starting off with Monday. So let's just say on Monday, I'm using the Selsun Blue shampoo and the conditioner. Tuesday, no shampoo at all. Wednesday, I'll use the Head & Shoulders. And then on Thursday, no shampoo at all. Friday, I'll use the Selsun Blue. Saturday, no shampoo. Sunday, Head & Shoulders. So every other day, I'm rotating between the Head & Shoulders and the Selsun Blue. And of course, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, the days that I'm shampooing, I'm using a full pump of the Shea Moisture Conditioner. And just so you guys know, these products, they're not sponsored. I'm not sponsored by them whatsoever. This is just what I use and is what has helped me really control my skin condition. So now that you know the weekly and daily cycle of what I do for the shampoo and conditioner, you know, pretty much going back to what I did last year, the same thing, the same concept when you're in the shower, 2 to 4 minutes, leaving the shampoo on your scalp, making sure that it's only on the scalp. Remember, that's the key. The key is to get the shampoo on your scalp, not your hair. Your hair isn't what has dandruff. Your scalp is what has dandruff. So 2 to 4 minutes of the shampoo, leave it on, do what it has to do, and then wash it off. And then right after that, grab your conditioner, do the same exact thing. 2 to 4 minutes, use the conditioner, leave it on the scalp, and then you can put, it's obviously gonna get on the hair as well, which is, it's a good thing. You know, it makes the hair re-moisturize after drying it with the shampoo because there's no way of avoiding the hair. But the main thing is get the shampoo on the scalp, get the conditioner on the scalp, and leave them both on for 2 to 4 minutes each, obviously after you wash your hair in between. You don't wanna do both at the same exact time. And now some of you might be wondering, well, Alex, what do I do in between the 2 to 4 minutes? I'm in the shower for like 10 minutes now doing what I gotta do. What am I gonna be doing in between? Well, grab your soap, do what you gotta do, scrub a dub, get in between your arms, get in your crevices, do what you gotta do in between, but make sure you don't get your hair wet while you're waiting those 2 to 4 minutes for the shampoo and the conditioner. And then when you're all said and done, again, grab your towel, jump out the shower, and then pat dry your hair. You don't wanna scrape all of the water off your head because you're also scraping off all the natural oils, which keeps your hair healthy, soft, and gives it that nice natural shine. So again, you want to pat dry your hair when you're finished. Another key thing that I wanted to mention to you guys is if you have shorter hair, it's going to be a lot easier to get the product onto your scalp and do what it needs to do on your scalp to really control the problem. If you've got really long, luscious hair, it's going to be a lot, and it's probably going to take a lot more product to really penetrate all of the hair and get to your scalp. So what I found to be very useful is having shorter hair, especially on the sides. You know, whenever my hair grows out on the sides and, 3 weeks in I need to cut it, I find a lot more dandruff underneath on my scalp when my hair's a lot longer. Whereas when I cut it, for the following week and a half, there's no problem at all. So if you've got longer hair, it's gonna be a little bit more challenging to get the product to penetrate underneath the hair into the scalp and really do what it needs to do. So just a recommendation, if you guys want to have a shorter hairstyle, it's probably gonna help you out a little bit more to control your dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. Whereas if you had longer hair, it's gonna take a little bit more product and you'll have to do a little bit more deep cleansing to get into the scalp. So this is pretty much the whole entire shampoo, condition, dandruff control serum that I use to really take control of my scalp. And although things have slightly changed since last year's video, hopefully in today's video it made a little bit more sense and I shared with you guys the reason why I had to update the scalp care routine. There's no doubt that this methodology that I use right now is gonna work for every single one of you, but it works for me, it works for my hair type. And so if you've got a similar hairstyle as me, similar wavy, coarse, thick hair, it could work for you, and it definitely wouldn't hurt to just try it out. So this is what works for me, this is what I'm currently doing. I don't know if it's gonna change in the near future or not, we'll see what happens. Hopefully I can maintain this and my scalp will stay in good condition. But hopefully you guys learned something new in today's video and you'll give this method a shot to really control and take back your scalp and stop getting made fun of because you've got dandruff snowflaking all over the place and you've got red scaly skin all over around your hairline and so forth. So hopefully you guys learned something new in today's video. Hopefully you guys will give it a shot. If you plan on giving it a shot, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know what your plan is to do for your scalp routine. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. I post every single week on my YouTube channel, whether it's self haircuts, teaching you guys how I cut my hair and how I've been doing so for the past 10 years. I'm not a licensed barber, but this is just what I do for fun and it helps me save a lot of money. I also talk about men's grooming and different ways to help you guys save money and invest in yourself. Also, if you are interested and want to learn how I cut my own hair, make sure you guys click that first link at the top of the description to check out my self haircut course. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!